Tempered Glass Protector Kit for Razer Phone 2 Durable Scratch-Resistant Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Protects the front glass. Durable scratch-resistant. Top reviews from the United States. Best to go with the official product. I was using a third-party screen protector. Their product scratched up a lot and eventually starting giving me touch issues after a few months of use. This product goes over the whole screen. Even though $20 is a lot for a screen protector, this one is the better investment. Really protects your phone screen. I had my first screen for a year. And then decided to use the sleek phone without the case. What would happen? The damn phone falls on the ground since it's too slippery with the glass case to put into my pockets. Falls smack on the glass face and the screen protector has this scary spiderweb pattern all over. I come home and am extremely worried about the screen, slowly peel of the broken glass cover and dang, am I impressed, phone screen doesn't have a scratch. This absorbs the impact and dissipates the energy of the fall and protects your screen cover.